I would take quite a specific intentional approach to introducing the monsters. And I would just give them the general idea that, hey, we're working as a class together to support one another. And so this is a monster fight with the whole class. So everybody has to maintain silence. Everybody has to face the speaker. Everybody has to have hands on desk. Within reason, you know, you as a teacher will reasonably be able to tell. I wouldn't want to sit here for 3 whole minutes waiting for them to do that, right? Within reason, make sure they do those things. But also, they're going to start coaching one another on it. Like, guys, be quiet. Honestly, like, I would try to deter them from sounding that kind of tone, but that is the kind of tone they've usually used. Guys, we're going to fight over. Guys, be quiet. Sometimes they say shut up. So I would try to get them to, I would encourage them to encourage one another instead of bossing each other around. But anyway, so I would introduce those things first, mostly by just using it so they can see how it works. But I would explicitly teach them about the monsters. All right. Also, another idea is you can make a mock-up class and have them practice a battle so they can kind of see how it works before it's actually like a penalty to them. And you could just use the mock-up class for all of your classes when you're introducing it. Okay, so I would do that probably the first week personally.